Hello, blacksmiths and forging industries people and owners and businessmen, even small tiny business blacksmith shops people. Today, this is the AI era. AI is changing the world and every industry. AI tools help the gardening niche, farming niche. I think I should prepare AI digital tools to help blacksmiths and forging industries. The first one idea is forge heat calculator. Input material type iron, steel, bronze, etc. Weight of piece, desired hardness slash strength. Number two, outputs. It gives you results forging temperature in centigrade or Fahrenheit, heating time estimation for coal, propane, or induction furnaces. Even alerts if temperature exceeds safe forging range. Use case prevents overheating or underheating, ensuring stronger products. As you know, I have YouTube channel crafting the elements. Many times I made videos on blacksmiths products, hardware products, carpenter hardware products, even fertilizer hardware products. Today I think that element is a hardware and element is a software. We can touch hardware and we can feel software. If we are helping the blacksmiths and forging industry in hardware, that one are less help, less problem solving, less solution providing. If we help the blacksmiths people by AI tools, by software, it will be great help. So I took first step. I forged heat calculator to support, to help the blacksmiths during the process of iron heat production, before heating, under heating, overheating, after heating. Check the product to make a strong product. Before proceeding further, I want to give disclaimer. This tool provides estimates and guidance only. Always validate final settings with material data sheets, experienced metallurgists or shop procedures before forging or heat treatment. I asked ChatGPT, please write a full PHP code, inline HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, even integration of Python. He generated a full snippet code for me for my WordPress website. You can also install this on WordPress and take benefit from this tool, and short code in post page, and you can utilize it. And I will provide you a link of my GitHub. You can download this project from GitHub in description. If you ask me, I will develop a full website, WordPress website for you, and this tool for you, even much more tools for your requirements. I will show you this live tool on my laptop. Later on we will check this one, and I want to produce a summary how this tool does works for you. Recommends a sensible forging temperature range in Fahrenheit and centigrade for common steels. Gives an estimated heating time. Quick heuristic based on weight, thickness and forge type. Produce a simple heuristic energy so shops can compare relative efforts. Flags quench risks. Basic checks for water quench on high carbon steels, large mass etc. Show safety warnings if temperature or time. Suggest specialized equipment. Allow copy to clipboard and export as a JSON file of the run for record keeping. If you find my video helpful and useful and as a solution provider and give you some value to enhance your work, please press like button and subscribe my channel. That's all.